Good afternoon, dear fellows, Dr. Mishra, Dr. Balya, distinguished guest. And I will say that I am a true product of HRA. I came here on a mission from my hospital to review, refresh, and improve my knowledge and skills. Throughout these 2 weeks, I was able to unlearn and relearn certain aspects of my surgical techniques. And I would say from the standpoint of the curriculum, audiovisuals, our excellent lectures, content, absolutely amazing. I was not able to take notes fast enough for the content, which is very good. Your staff, technicians, and everybody in the hotel, very friendly, very helpful. I would have to say that I'm very glad that I came. I came with question marks, and I'm leaving with a lot of answers. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.